A little something about Raymond. He's an investor in stocks and rentals. He wants no money from you, no bait and switch, nothing. Here's what he's going to do. He's going to log into his personal account, share real estate property documents, and give you suggestions on what to read.
Get through this. No interruptions. Help me out, Jesus. I am Raymond from Stocks and Rentals, and I am here today to show you guys how to buy a stock during extended trading hours. If you did not know this, you can buy stock before the stock market officially opens. It opens at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it closes at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And right now, today is March 10th, and it's 7:36 a.m. in the morning, and the stock market is closed. But I'm going to show you guys that you can buy stock even when it's closed. So right now you are looking at my Fidelity Roth IRA. I'm already logged in, and I'm going to use this account to actually buy a stock right now live and show you guys how easy it is. Over here to the right, you see my Yahoo Finance app. This is on my phone. I'm showing my phone on the computer screen. And this is my go-to app. I highly recommend this app. If you guys don't have this app, please get the app. This is required if you want to get paid. It's also required that you hit the subscribe, like, and share button right now. This helps me spread the word that you got this guy named Raymond giving free game. There's no charge. There's never a charge. I don't want anything from you guys because I'm showing you that I make my money, and I'm here to put money in your pocket, not take it out. So please hit those buttons right now. What you're looking at right here on the right is everything that's going on right now live in the stock market. So everything you see up here, these are all the stock indexes. You have the NASDAQ, you have the Dow Jones, and you have the S&P. And right now you see they're all red. So it's already giving you a heads up that it's not looking like a good morning. Everything is, well, I can't say every stock, but the majority of the stocks are red, and the majority of the stocks are not doing well. Now this can change. This can go green, then back to red even before the stock market opens, or it can stay red. The market opens at 9:30, and then it can go green, red. It can bounce around. It can do whatever the market is actually doing when it opens up. So, but this definitely gives you a heads up of what the day probably is going to look like. Down here, this is my watch list. Every stock that I own, I put it in my Yahoo app. And the cool thing about it is it gives you all the information before the stock market even opens. So the example stock that I want to use today is ExxonMobil. And it's right here. The stock ticker is XOM. And let me tell you guys what you're looking at. Right here, $82.79. This is what the stock closed at yesterday at 4 p.m. Yesterday, it was down negative 5.68%. So all of this stuff right here, this black number here and the number in this gray box, this is all old data. This is stuff from yesterday. Underneath it, it says pre. It says 1.22%. This is live. This is what's going on with this stock right now. So comparing yesterday to today, the stock is green. It's going up from this price. Let's see what the new price is. So to see what the new price is, you got to click on ExxonMobil in the Yahoo app. So let's do that. And right here, we have the new price. It's now at 1.38%, so it's going up more. The new price is $83.92. This is higher than what it closed at yesterday. So if we want to buy or sell this stock this morning before the market is open, this is the price that we're looking at. So now let's go over to the IRA account, and I'm going to actually buy the stock. Accounts and trade. We're going to click on trade. We're going to pick my Roth IRA account. Click go. And right here it says trade stocks and ETFs. This is a stock, so we're not going to do anything. We don't have to click and change this. My account is the Roth IRA account. Symbol, we have to type in the XOM symbol. So let's do that. ExxonMobil. Once we did that, you see the price jump up here. Again, this is the price from yesterday. It matches what you see right here. So all this stuff right here is old numbers from yesterday. Yesterday, which was March 9th, Wednesday. Today is Thursday. To trade during extended hours, we have to turn it on. It's off right now. So we're going to click this. It's on. As soon as we clicked on, look up here. The number changed. It's telling you what's going on right now, today, live. So right now, ExxonMobil is trading at $83.81. It's up 1.23%. And I do want to state this. To do extended trading, all stocks may not be available. You have to have a stock available to buy or sell during extended trading. All stocks aren't available. So ExxonMobil, you know it's available because when you hit the extended trading hours to on, this popped up. You might put in a different stock ticker and you want to do extended trading and nothing is here. That means no one is out there to sell or no one is out there to buy if you're trying to sell. So just be aware, every stock is not available for extended trading hours. So action, we're going to go here. We're going to say buy. Quantity, I just want to do one. Order type, it says limit. When you're doing extended trading, it has to be a limit order. You can't do a market order. And that doesn't matter if you're using something other than Fidelity. It could be TD Ameritrade. It can be anything that you can use to buy or sell your stock. If it's extended trading hours, it has to be a limit order. So what is a limit order? It's very simple. I'm going to type in the price that I'm willing to pay, which is my limit, and I don't want to go higher than whatever number I type right here. It's that simple. So right here, I'm going to type in what I see up here. I'm going to type in I'm willing to pay $83.81 for the stock. Time in force, you don't mess with this. You leave it today. Conditions, none. Let's scroll down and do preview order. And it's saying that I'm willing to spend $83.81. Let's place the order. And I got my confirmation. And let's go to manage orders. Let's see if I bought it, if the order went through. Okay, so the order did not fill yet. It is open. And the order will fill if it gets to this price, $83.81. Right now it is at $83.77. So it just moved up to $83.80. I got one more penny to go. There is a lesson behind this. I didn't have to pick $83.81. I could have went $83.50. You could put whatever you want there. It just has to hit that number. Right now, I sped up the video because we're waiting for the price to fill. It took about a minute, so who wants to sit here for a whole minute? All right, it was filled. Let's look at it. It was filled at $83.81. And right now it is at $83.69. So I paid a couple of pennies too much because it is dropping in price. You can see it's down to 1.09%. But this is how you buy a stock during extended trading. I just showed you guys. It has to be a limit order. It can't be a market order. And you have to know what the pre-market trading is. And you're going to know that because you got to click on the extended button to know that. And all you do is look at the number and then you put in whatever you're willing to pay. So when I did this, it was at 83.81. That's what we saw. And I put in 83.81. I could have put in a number a little lower than that. In this video, I had to wait a while before it filled at, let's move this, $83.81. So hopefully you guys got it. It was a lot of information here, but you can buy and sell before the market opens. Bed Bath and Beyond. You guys might want to Google this. It jumped. Matter of fact, let's Google it right now. Jump in price. Let's just click on this one, the first one. Let's make this bigger so you guys can see it. On March 7th, there was an announcement in the news that this guy started buying up a big stake in Bed Bath and Beyond. And because this guy is probably known for being, a billionaire, makes a lot of money, everybody started jumping on the bandwagon and buying the stock. So the stock went up. This article says it jumped 34% Monday. Blah, blah, blah. It actually jumped more than 34%. In early market trading, before the market opened, it was up 100%. Because of my Yahoo app, and I was up early in the morning, I used to own Bed Bath & Beyond. And when I saw it was up 100%, this number right here for pre, it was at 100%. I was like, oh, snap. I just doubled my money. I'm about to sell. So I sold that stock in extended AM hours. I sold it and I doubled my money. When the stock market opened, it was down to 34%. So if you didn't know that you can trade in extended hours, you would have saw it was up 34% and you probably would have been happy. But think about it, 34% and 100%. This is an example of why you want to know how to trade in extended hours. I got way more money than the people that would normally trade between 9:30 and 4 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is a great example of something I actually did. I'm going to talk about it when I update my rollover and Roth IRAs. I'm going to go into more detail, but I got paid. This is something that you want to do. I'm giving you straight game. I'm letting you know how you can make money before the stock market closes and after the stock market closes. And I just want to tell you the opposite can happen. You could, an announcement can be made before the market opens or after, and the market can be bad news. And then the stock, instead of being up 100%, it could be down 40% or 50%. And you can see it going down. And if you wanted to sell, you can try to go ahead and sell in extended trading. So it works both ways. Like I always tell you guys, the stock market, it goes up and it goes down. You just ride it out. If you're a long-term investor, you will win. That's what I am. And I'm hoping that you guys are long-term investors. I am Raymond. I invest in stocks and rentals. That's all I do. I put you guys up on game. Anybody making videos, charging you any type of fee for anything, something is wrong with them. If they're telling you they're in the market, make your money in the market. Don't make your money off the backs of people that you're trying to help. That ain't cool. I don't do that. I'm out. Peace.
Push the button. Come on, push the button.
Yeah, come on, push your button up.
Push the goddamn button.
Push the goddamn